what to do with all that water in that boat.
I don't know. If I can get in it, I could probably bail it with my ice chest. I got COPD.
Let's take your time here.
Fuck. Goddamn yellow jacket buzzing around it right in my ear.
Let's see. You could hold on. Maybe I could pull this boat up on the weeds for a start. What do you think?
Let's try it. Shit.
Let me get this turned around. I'm going to have to either kick or oar. Go ahead and hold on to those rings on the front there, maybe.
Got it.
See what I can do here.
Jesus. That was real good. I'm not going to be much help to you.
I'm not going towards shore, I'm afraid.
I can't breathe.
Just hold on.
Didn't mean to screw up your whole day of fishing.
That's no big deal. It look pretty deep here. I don't know about this.
Will this thing support two of us?
It might. I don't know, to tell you the truth.
If I could get on that bar.
The only problem is, I don't think I could kick us both. I'd have to oar.
No, I mean, if I could get up there
Oh, on the boat thing?
and bail some of this out.
Yeah, it should. Let me. I don't know which way would be the best way to do that.
I don't even know if I can get up there.
Here, let me move this. I don't know if you're going to be able to do that. What's your oars attached to? Nothing? Or...
Nothing.
Here, let me see if I can get this where you can get in the front.
The boat, you mean?
I don't know. Try to go for the side of the boat and maybe you can.
Oh, it'll just tip.
Will it tip?
Yeah. I'm going to have to get up here first and bail some of the water out of it.
How about if I got on the other side as you got on there and I'll push down on this side where it won't tip down? What do you think?
We can try it. Oh, fuck.
Except I don't know if you'll have to hold on to your boat.
That's going to sink it.
Gonna sink it?
Yes.
You got anything to bail with?
Just my cooler.
Okay, can you get this on?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Hang on. Let me see if I can get up here. God damn it.
Here.
Okay.
This is really.
I gotta stop. Heard my phone.
Yeah. I don't have a phone with me, or
It's toast.
yeah.
Fuck.
I think the boat has too much water in there to, don't you,
To bail it?
I don't know. I don't know how you got in there. You think it would stay afloat or
I
not?
don't think so.
Yeah.
Oh shit. My inhaler's in the truck. Let's see. I'm gonna have to get up here, I think.
Okay, why don't we let the boat go? It should stay afloat, and I'll see if I can roll us in. You want to do that, or you think it'll sink?
It'll probably sink.
You had a rope where we could tie it. Well, that wouldn't work. I don't know.
Might be able to pull a boat in.
If we could tie it on one of those rings on the front. Was that, where was the rope? In the front?
Huh?
The rope, was it in the front?
Yeah. Shit.
Don't, if that's where it's, I don't know. Let me see what this,
It's on the front.
here, let me,
I can just hang on to the rope.
I just want to be able to row, so if I can row, I can get us. I don't know about with the boat. There's a lot of water in there, but